Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we'll reveal day 12 of the Wera Advent Calendar. So far we have a wand halter with various hex keys, a pouch, a handle, micro and large bits with our magnet. Let's see what's behind number 12 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. And we have two more of the micro Torx bits for our pouch, which now gives us a total of 6 microbits. Don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day 13. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on your home garage.